Hello, I'm Daniel Carmichael, and this is my Lab 1 kitchen conversions and an explanation of how I worked the problems for this lab. Okay, so I picked out a few problems that I was going to work out to show you how I got the answers for this lab. I've also written out the statements of equality that I'm going to use when I work the problem. So the first one I'm going to do is convert 275 grams to how many cups of brown sugar. In the assignment, it gave us an equivalency that 1 cup of brown sugar is equivalent to 212 grams. So you would write out 275 grams and 1 cup is equivalent to 212 grams. And all you would do at this point is divide 275 divided by 212, because the grams would cancel out and that would leave you with your units of cups. So 275 divided by 212 gives you 1.29 or 1.30 when you round. Okay, for the next one, we're going to just convert 300 grams of milk chocolate into ounces. So for this, the assignment gave us that 168 grams of milk chocolate is equivalent to 5.9 ounces. So 300 grams with 168 grams on bottom to cancel out, under 5.9 ounces. And for this one, we will multiply 300 times 5.9. That gives us 1,770. And then you divide that by 168, which gives you 10.54 ounces of milk chocolate. And for the last problem, I chose the 180 degrees Celsius is equivalent to what temperature in Fahrenheit. For this, we have an equation: temperature in Celsius times 5/9 plus 32 equals temperature of Fahrenheit. So you just plug in your number, 180 times 5/9 plus 32 equals, and for the calculation, I'm just going to use 1.8 since it's easier to plug into a calculator. So 180 times 1.8 equals plus 32 gives us 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And that is just an example of how I worked out some of my problems for this lab.